Welcome back, my friends. Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski here, and welcome to another video. What does it mean to give yourself over to God and to live with God or in God? Let's get started, shall we? It's a request from a friend. It's quite an interesting one. But in essence, it means that you give up your worldly concerns and you focus upon this nature of God only. You focus upon God only and you allow God to guide you in your daily life, so that you do not concern yourself with the worries of the mortals, meaning what am I gonna eat, what am I gonna dress, where am I going to sleep. Once you release those shackles, let's just call it, then you can start to live a godly life where you bring yourself over to God and you give yourself over to God, and He'll always provide for you. Always provide if you just open yourself to Him. Because God wants nothing else but to have a personal relationship with you. And very interesting thing, you're Him at the same time. Eventually you're going to have that realization if you choose to climb the spiritual ladder, let's just call it, or if you choose that form of exploration of the self. And so to do things in God means that you have surrendered the worries of your day-to-day life and you're focused upon the godly things, and God tells you what it is that is important in your day-to-day life. Does that mean you stop eating? No. Does that mean you stop sleeping? No. Does that mean you stop going to work? Most likely not. But you listen to God. And sometimes God will ask you to change your job. Sometimes God will ask you to go on a pilgrimage. Sometimes God will ask you to say something to a stranger. These are little things that if you allow yourself to act out in the world, you're going to move yourself closer to God, because you're going to be in the divine flow of that which you are. You see this? So in order to be living in God in your day-to-day life means casting aside all of the worries of the flesh and having your full attention upon the Spirit. It's very easy, very simple. You just gotta realize that you're safe. I already did a video about that a few days ago. Check it out. Professionalism at its finest. But yeah, that is it. You just gotta focus your attention upon God. Concentrate upon God and allow God to guide you, and not allow the worries of the flesh to hinder you as you explore yourself as the I am. The I am that you are, of course. I am that I am. It's the first level, the level of acceptance. Later on, it's I am that I am, divinity. Blessings be upon you, my friend. I wish you an absolutely wonderful day and hope to see you in the next one. Consider subscribing, leaving a like. Could help out. You and me.